Once you activate Google Apps Mail for your domain name, you can immediately start using that email with your Android phone or tablet to help you stay in contact with everyone you know. How can you do that? It takes just a few steps. Start by finding your Android settings. Scroll down until you find the Account section. Then click Add Account and choose Google. You'll be asked if you want to add an existing account or create a new one. Select the option to connect to an existing one. Enter your email address and the password you created for that email address, and continue right along. Now, Google automatically turns on the option to sync about 1 million different things between your apps account and your Android device. It certainly doesn't harm anything to leave these all turned on, and it's often quite helpful. But the only one you absolutely need to leave switched on at this point is Sync Gmail. Continue on from here and you're all done. You can now send and receive email from your Gmail app. And that's how you do that.